Apparently some of the H100s are known to have a loud pump. Just wanted to show you what loud means. I've contacted Corsair and they've agreed to RMA this particular pump. They've been saying from time to time it's the power supply, but if you'll notice we have a nice brand new Corsair power supply. Anyhow, and SP120 Corsair quiet fans. I'm going to turn it on now and you'll get to see and hear. That noise you hear is entirely coming from the pump. There are 8 fans running. What you hear is the pump, none of the fans. I'm going to turn the pump now to its lowest setting. The machine is at idle. The pump is quite loud. Louder than any of the fans. Really louder than all the fans combined. So, Corsair has said many things about this, including that there isn't a problem, that the problem is with the power supplies providing too many volts. And some people have said that when you connect it to a fan controller, you can remove the noise. But Corsair is willing to RMA this unit and replace with a unit they say won't have the problem. I'm going to add an update postscript when that happens. Well, Corsair have in fact finally delivered the new improved version of the H100, or at least a new shipment. They tell me that this version, which looks identical from the outside, does not have the noisy pump problem. The only difference I can see is that they've applied a new barcode on the outside of the shrink wrap. So, and there's a PK1. I don't have the old shrink wrap, so I can't say what it used to say. But this is a barcode over the barcode, so perhaps there's a difference. So the first one is a model number CWCH100, and this is a CWCH100 PK1. See the difference there? The SKU is also different. Wow. The UPC is invalid. Interesting. It's all zeros. So, but this is 1227-10401 instead of 1227-9403. Interesting. It's possible that this is one for RMA returns only. So, but they tell me it's new in box. Update on the Corsair H100 loud pump problem. The new pump installed works wonderfully. It's completely quiet, and any sound you hear now is just fans. What I'm going to do is take the microphone and put it directly next to the pump. Again, all you'll hear is quiet fans.